And right here we have all the ingredients to make these two spooky cocktails. First up, we have Tangerine Terror. First, we need to pour the shots. Shot, 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 everybody. Shot, 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 shot. So we have our cup with ice here. And the first thing, can you get in focus, please? Thank you. And the first thing to do is add the shot. Next up, we get to add our sparkling ice in the peach nectarine flavor. Excuse my manicure, that needs to be redone, but spooky vibes, am I right? If anybody was wondering, this is Wicked by Essie. It's one of their newer fall collection colors. Anyway, so yeah, let's add this in. Now we've only filled it up halfway because we are going to be adding some cream soda to the remaining half here. And that's what's going to give us that kind of creamsicle flavor. Trying to make sure I'm not spilling things everywhere. So tread carefully. Now, if you wanted to make this more low calorie, you could use diet soda, but I'm just using regular soda today. All of the other things that we're using pretty much, like the sparkling ice, are very low in calories and all of that, so I didn't think it was that big of a deal. And there, ladies and gents, we have it. And bottoms up. Alrighty, so drink number 2, Purple Doom. I actually created this drink my junior year of college. Hi, parents. So the great thing about this one is, and both of these drinks actually, is you don't have to be super precise with how you're pouring these, when you're pouring the different ingredients. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and start with just adding in this sparkling ice. It's a black raspberry. I just had to check the label. So we're just going to put that in. And then just going to quickly add in a shot of rum. I like rum with this one. Quite honestly, you could do vodka again with this. But I think it gives a really cute color, and some of my friends have thought it's slightly reminiscent to medicine, but I think it's really good. I think that the sweetness from the sparkling ice with the blackberry is a really good juxtaposition to the spice of the rum. So there's me trying to sound fancy. I thought it'd be fun to see if we could do something interesting with Grenadine. I don't know how this is gonna go, so we'll see. So for everyone who doesn't know what Grenadine is, it's a flavoring and it's used in a lot of cocktails. On the back of the bottle here mentions tequila sunrise, a day on the beach, and island dream. So typically, it's mixed with a lot of like fruity drinks and stuff like that, which is what we're doing today. So perfect. It has a nice fruity flavor. They also use these in Shirley Temples, which I remember I used to love having as a little kid, and at the bar now you can order a Dirty Shirley, but be careful because those things have a ton of sugar, and the hangover is a lot worse when you have all that sugar on board too. So, word of the wise, limit yourself to one, and then stick with lower calorie stuff the rest of the night so you don't hate yourself the next morning. And so this step is completely unnecessary, but we're gonna do it anyway. I'm adding a shot of grenadine to it. It will add another layer of a flavor. That rhymed. But also, like, it does add a little bit of extra color, so you can really get a nice rich tone with that. And once again, cheers. Thoughts. The grenadine doesn't add a ton of extra flavor, but it is nice. I'm not mad about it. So, grenadine is totally optional. It's not something typically everybody has in their kitchen, so if you want to be fancy, go ahead, but, you know, I like to live the extra life, so here I am. And so here we have all the ingredients to make these two spooky cocktails. Could you please get in focus? I really dislike these things. What are their purpose besides making my life difficult? I'm just trying to share my knowledge with the internet. The extreme knowledge that I have of literally putting two ingredients together and then trying to add a flair to it. Okay. Yeah. Be fun to try some. Oh my gosh, I got a text. Ooh. Wonder who it could be from. Anyways.